Hi guys, welcome back. It's time for one of our mini lessons. Today, I did not line this up right. Today, we're going to work on some coins, counting with coins. Now, we've been practicing this every day with morning meeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a way to break it down and then just do the math, okay? Hopefully that'll help you. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to remember what each coin is. So, we know that the small itty bitty bitty coin is a dime. The next size up is a penny. Pennies are usually copper, but there's sometimes where you're going to see a sheet where you're not going to actually see the color. So you can't just rely on the color. You have to know what the difference is. So, smallest coin is the dime. It's got this little tiny head on it. It says dime right on it. And on the back, it's got what looks like a flame and a tree. And then the penny has Lincoln on it. It says 1 cent on it, and that should help. And on the back, it has the Lincoln Monument. Now, the next size up is a nickel. So a nickel has, I believe that's Jefferson on it. And it has, I don't remember what that building is. But it does say 5 cents on the back. Well, that should be useful. So we know that this is a next size up, and that's a nickel. Nickel, 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 nickel. So what I'm doing is I'm just writing on each one what it is that we can quickly decipher it. Now, on this sheet, I don't have any quarters, but the next size up is a quarter, and that has George Washington on it. And sometimes now it's got like pictures from states. It used to have something different on the back, but for the life of me, I can't remember it right now. But it does say somewhere on it, I believe, a quarter. Oh, it says $quarter, so yes, it does. So you now know that that would be the difference between a dime, a nickel, a penny, and what I just showed you, a quarter. Normally a quarter is a lot bigger, but this sheet, they made things bigger. But you see, it is bigger than that coin there. So you just remember them by size first. Now we're going to break the down into what it costs. Well, like I said, if you looked at the coins, you actually saw what it costs on each one. So the penny said 1 cent. So that's 1, 1, 1. So we're going to go to all the pennies and write a 1 right above. Okay? The nickel says 5 cents. So we're going to write a 5 above all those. Okay? And then we have the dime. The dime just says 1 dime. Uh-oh. So you have to remember that one. Just like the quarter. So 1 dime is 10 cents. So we're going to write a 10 above all the dimes. Okay? And then the quarter, 1 quarter, so 1/4 of a dollar is 25. So that's another one you have to remember. Okay? But there's only 2 you have to remember out of 4. Not bad. Then we just add it up. 10 plus 5. Well, we can count by 5s to make that work. 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20. So we have 20 here, plus 1, 21, 22. This is 22 cents. Okay, now we're going to do full count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20 cents. Okay, 10 plus 10, counting by 10s, 10, 20, plus 5, 25, 26, 27 cents. Okay, 5s again. 5, 10, 15, plus 1 is 16 cents. So look at how much easier it made it to do to add up those coins once we just wrote right above the top what each one was and then what it was worth. You don't always need to do what each one was. You can just do what it's worth if you already know. but I like trying to remind you guys what each one is so that you remember the cost for what each one is. All right? Hope you had fun with this sheet. It was a nice and easy lesson today. Take care.